has some really cool songs on YouTube that have been getting some views. So we had to introduce him to the world. Richie chats with Pesh Don.
Intense Nice Street for the next big king of dancehall right now. Right now with that Portmore.
Naturally, the fight I got there. You get me? I say you have to prove yourself basically based on the demand of the music to the outside world and even in Jamaica as well. You understand? So, a whole heap of little thing we go through and management see me. You know that is another tricky thing to with contract. I want to encourage all of the young artists themselves to make sure they have a knowledge of the business. You understand? Because if me did have a knowledge of the business, I would have better able to do my thing and, you know,
so
progress.
So speak about the good right now.
Well, the good, whole heap of tracks, whole heap of people I get to know we I get to send the message to them, you understand, and teach the youth them. Cause to me personally, the youths them kind of lose them way in a sense where like them a pick up everything. You get what I say? So we are trying to use music for popular youth.
So when I say use, lose them way. Basically I say people are running something that's about anything. Cause.
Yeah, and that's some crazy thing I go on in the world, man. Yeah, man.
So what kind of art to describe yourself as now?
Well, Pesh Don is a versatile artist, you know, cause we do reggae, we do dancehall, we do pop. If you give me an Afrobeat right now, we should. I pray me la.
Said speed, man. So, yo.
Yeah, man.
So I'm asking now, dancehall kind of change over to the trap settings right now. And I sense that most people are running with the scammer versatility and the style. What do you think about that right now in the music? You know them something?
Well, to be honest, you know, if I get up one day and say I want to do it, because I show you, see, music is art, you get what I say? And music is not something people take too personal, you get what I say? It will be fun and it will make sense, you understand?
Yeah, but when I say them can't take too personal, remember so most people actually listen to artists based on them personal aspect, right? So based on what I feel and emotion, certain songs can relate to them. So you actually come personal, so what do you mean by that?
No, because watching it would come like the same thing, the big debate everybody always talk about with violence, with music, you get what I say? The same thing, it a portray a message, you know, you get what I say, but you have a mind for things to say. It's regular day, man.
Who in the industry right now you feel like you did that collaboration right now as an artist?
Well, no, it's still nice. TJ, good artist, an artist I listen, yeah man, artist I listen to more while and
actually some shirt you said that?
No, I know, you know, some just I want up top same way, man, because up I only direction, you know, same way, you know.
So it's yeah, so man. TJ, you know, somebody from old school reggae, because I said you do reggae. So somebody from reggae vibes on like a Protege on the artist. What do you think I work with?
Like Protege. Alright, see Chronics though?
Yeah.
Yeah man, Chronics are a good artist to see him. All of them, you know, cause watch you know, me is a man, I don't know none of the artists in person. I like to say I'm a cousin, so me is a man, I don't on a pick side thing.
Music, basically.
Yeah, I just music me I deal with. You understand? So from I say an artist with the talent, you get what I say? And we can compliment my but me work with the artist, man.
Said piece.
Yeah, man.
Tell the people know why Peshton is fully intense.
Well, you don't know, just a style we bring in, you know? Yeah, style we bring on. The mindset for do great thing. You understand? And for big great. Yeah.
See, you know, one Peshton, respect
Fully
the fam.
active in my G. Yeah, man.
Outside, bro.
Look out in our world. Come in.
Follow him on IG and support the music.